Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in the simplest possible way. In this video, we will be discussing about keywords. Keywords are the words which are defined by the Python developers for a specific purpose, which are also referred as reserved words, and we cannot use those words for some other purpose. Let's say defining of a variable, defining of a function name, defining of a class name. These are things are not possible with keywords. Let us go and try whether that is possible or not. Let's say we have this keyword if, and if I wanted to assign a value of 10, and let's see it is possible or not. So I'm getting the output as syntax error because it was saying it is not possible because if is a keyword. So uh, we have keywords of different. Let's say I have if, I have while, I have for. Like this, I have so many keywords. And you might ask that, Mahesh, you know these are the keywords and you can able to tell. And how could we beginners know these are the keywords? I have two answers for that. One is whenever you are using any IDE, you can able to find the keywords highlighted with a special color. In Jupyter Notebook, keywords are highlighted with this green color. So that is one answer. And the second answer that I have is in Python, we can able to access all the keywords. So let's say I am importing something called key word. This is the keyword. This is the keyword module that I have that we are having in Python, so that by using this keyword module you can able to know what are the keywords that we are having. So to know what are the keywords, I am printing what are the keywords. Let's say I am calling this, I am actually using this keyword module, and by this I am using something called KW list, which is telling key W list that I am having inside of Python. Let's say if I execute this, I am able to get all the keywords that are having in Python. So you can able to see all the keywords in Python. So false, none, true, all these keywords that we are having. If you carefully observe all these keywords, you can find two things. One is all these keywords are in small letters, and only these three keywords and the first letter of these three keywords are in the capital letters F, N and T. These are the only three keywords which are having capital letters, and also you can find this keyword page parser which is having some underscores. So these are the keywords that we are having in Python. To know how many number of keywords in here, we can actually use length method and see how many number of keywords. We can pass this KW list through this length method. We can able to get how many number of keywords we are having in Python. So by executing this, we are getting 36. So totally 36 keywords we are having in Python. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.